Hi, this is Mike Hamilton on the 16th of November. I just want to do a very quick video because there's so many charts setting up. I thought it would be easier just to do a video rather than send you charts. So here we go. Right, dollar index on the daily on the right, 240 minute on the left. This is what I talked about in my video. Talked about a little consolidation and a break up through here. It's still there on the record, so you can go back and look at it. This is what I was looking for, and this is creating some fascinating charts. So with the dollar strong, we've got a divergent relationship with the gold, and here's the gold weak coming off these reversal bars right down to 50 EMA. If we get a hammer here in the 240 minute chart on this RSI setup, I'll take a break of that hammer because that will bring it off the 50 EMA and I will be long the gold. This is the S&P 500 futures. There's all the distribution pattern, and we're coming back down to the 50 EMA at 1164. Plenty of room in the RSI to come to the downside. The oil is so weak it's broken a daily trend line. There's the trend line, we've broken it. We are touching the 200 and the 50 EMA. So there's a massive amount of support here. If we get a reversal bar back on this trend line tomorrow at Invents, I will be a buyer of this and try and get it back to the highs. Otherwise, not touching it. This is palladium, and talked about this in my video on Sunday, and this even gapped down. It's so weak it even gapped down, so lovely shorts on that one. This is US dollar CAD daily on the right. This is a 50 EMA break to the upside. There's the entry I'm suggesting because of all that support just above the 50 EMA, and there's the target 200 EMA, but I suspect this could even go higher. See that? My entry suggestion ties in with this trend line. So we get a pullback to this trend line, and this could really go. I'm going to trade this on the basis that my target is up here, these highs. So my risk reward ratio with a stop under this bar here is probably eyeballing it, probably about 2.5, maybe just under 3 to 1. So it's the US dollar CAD. This is the Euro Yen. I am now trading yen pairs after holding back. I am short in 240 minute chart and I'm going to hold this one over. This is breaking 50 EMA and it's also breaking down a trend line. We've got a kiss and tell set up here. We've had lower highs here. I like this one, looking for this one to be nice and low. These breakouts are very strong setups. Pound 240 minute chart, very nice distribution pattern in the 240 minute chart. Shorted this morning in the Euro session, shorted it this afternoon in the US session, and done very, very nicely. I don't need to trade instruments like oil when you've got beautiful charts like this. Look at that reversal bar under there, great. Just sitting right on the moving averages, distance from the 8 and the 20. Now at that point, if we just put at that point you don't know you're going to get a distribution pattern, but if you look at all that resistance up there on this side here, obviously this is hindsight, we don't know this. You can see this is a reversal bar under all this resistance. So if you took that reversal bar with a stop up here and left it, you would have got 161.30. You got a lot of points. I've not got time to work that one out. But this pound daily, we've slid right down to the 50 EMA, which is a fib level. So just watch to see if we get any reversals here. This is a fib level from on this here. This is the top of the play zone with a 50 EMA, so this is a heck of a lot of support here. If we break down here, then this pound's in trouble. And there's the trend line. So you can see this is a trend line breakout in the pound. Let's make that slightly more accurate. So we've broken this trend line today. So we are in a sell zone, the 8 and 20 beginning to cross. So if we get a pullback to this area here, I would look for some reversals and short it. I wouldn't swing trade short this because I don't short above the 50 MA in a swing trade setup. I only trade short intraday when we're above the 50 MA. You need the US dollar CAD for a long to take advantage of this dollar. This is a less obvious chart here, but this is one I really like. Look at this 240 minute chart before we look at the daily. We've got all this support here with the reversal bars under the 50 MA. If we break down here, we're going to break very hard. Reversal bars under the 50 MA or just under resistance are very, very good. Now look at this daily. You can swing trade this. We've got, yesterday we had a reversal bar under the 50 MA on the 50% with the 8, the 20, the 50 and the 200 above. So we've consolidated today, but if we break down below here tomorrow, if we break 133.74, I'm short and looking for this to get down here, to break this level here and to get back down to these lows. So I'm looking for that reversal bar under all those moving averages. Has got me very, very interested if we break it. I'm going to put an order in the book for a break of that. Alright, hope that helps. My Forex course is on the 7th of December. Email me for details. Beginner course is next weekend on the 21st. And I've got Mind the Trade, which I'm trying to book to coordinate with the availability of the people who want to book. Alright, hope that helps, and look forward to talking to you.